What up, YouTube? It's me, Isaac, coming to you with another edition of my life. So I'm really freaking happy with dinner tonight because I'm always happy when Dad cooks out on the grill or however Dad makes burgers. But look how good this freaking thing looks. My God. Whoa. What'd you season these with? There's something a bit odd about that beef. That's odd, but it's really tasty. Today's been an amazing day for me. As I've said in all my videos today, but today was really cool for me because, well, I had to set up an appointment to get something done, and it got done in a really good time span. Either or. But what I had done was I had some electronics replaced in something that I use every day. Which was really cool.
There's buns right there. Big buns,
My God, that's tasty.
isn't it? There's buns with these rolls. Whatever you want.
The plastic.
Would you rather have that or regular buns?
There's something odd with the pickles, though, but it's still tasty.
There we go.
Mom can't even tell our pets apart. Which is funny because one has floppy ears and the other two have pointy.
She knows you because you got the big one.
Ignore my dad.
Yeah.
But my God, is today great.
What's so great about today?
Well, I got the electronics in my bed fixed,
What's good?
which were great. My view, I already
I
did.
think you're not supposed to talk about the electronic things in your room.
Ignore my dad.
Not typical.
Ignore my dad.
You have.
Ignore my dad. But also, I've already talked about this in one of my earlier videos. But I didn't say where my actual account was, and I'm not going to. Let's just say it's pretty close to 40K, but not exactly there yet.
So what do you need?
I need 4,000 more views to hit 40K, and I'm looking forward to this journey. Or if I use my brother, I'm not going to say that.
Thank you.
But let's just say I've enjoyed the last 12 going on 13 years, and I'm really looking forward to the next couple. Or rather, the rest of my YouTube career right there. What?
Well, if you think that you're only going to be,
Don't say it.
I always thought you'd just be doing it all your life.
I will be doing this all my life.
That's only going to be the next couple years.
Hell no.
Maybe you should start exercising. What do you think?
No, but I'm glad we had this conversation because now he owes me $6,424.25.
Ignore my old man. But yeah, I really do enjoy it whenever Dad makes burgers. They are some of the best. They are some of the best non-restaurant burgers I've ever had. They only get beat out by one other person's burger, and Mom already knows who that is. And I'm pretty sure Dad does too.
And that's really good.
My God. And what's funny is the burger that beats these out, the only drink I drink with it is tea. But not just any tea. It's got to be my aunt's cheat tea, as she calls it, because she doesn't use sugar, and I don't know how she gets it that sweet. Dad, do you have any idea?
He's talking about tea that your sister makes.
She uses what?
Like sweet and low.
Yeah, that's what
It's something. It's like saccharine, I think.
Yeah, it's not. She doesn't use sugar. She uses something else. Yeah, she uses a sugar substitute that's really sweet, and honestly, it pairs really good with my uncle's burgers or pig if the occasion calls for it. God, I can't wait for their next barbecue. And my mom's beans are always tasty. My Lord. I kind of wish we grew beans when we had our garden. But then again, they wouldn't taste as good as these. Wait, brisket, yum. Talk about absolutely tasty.
What does that mean, brisket?
I said brisket. Because I didn't realize there was brisket in them.
There is.
My God. Any more? Oh my Lord. So tasty. And it's made even better because of the... Oh, yes. Whoa. Oh, I expected that to be flat. I didn't expect it to still be fizzy. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. But yeah, whenever Dad decides to cook out on the grill, be it burgers, chicken, bratwurst, which are some of my favorite that he makes. It's been a while since he actually made brats though. That I can.
Joseph was here.
Oh yeah. But that was what, 2 or 3 weeks ago? For somebody who loves brats as much as I do, that's a lifetime. But yeah, it's been a really great day. I'm looking forward to, well, more videos, and I hope you guys are too.
Does Janet say anything? That was coming to business.
But yeah, it's been a great day. I've had a really great day. I hope you guys, excuse me. I hope you guys do too. And I'm your host, Isaac Brummett. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Peace out, y'all. Have a good one. I know I sure as shit will. Peace out, y'all.